Hi there, it's Annie Lou. How are you? I got today the Walmart box, and I just wasn't expecting a Walmart box this time of year, but that's what it is. So let's open it up, see what's on the inside. Yes, this is odd because what it says in here is fall faves, and it is not fall Walmart. It is winter, but that's okay. And if I go to a survey spot, I could win $100. I would love a $100 certificate to Walmart. Now, this is a monthly box, and what you do is you go to walmart.com and look up the beauty box, and you subscribe. You just plug in your credit card number. I have never, ever, ever had a problem doing that with them. And it comes out by the quarter. It's only $5. And I can see from what is in here, it's already worth $5. So just the razor alone is worth $5. It's a Big Soleil Sensitive. And I can always use a new razor. So there you go. And sometimes you do get full-size things in here. This is obviously a full-size thing. The next thing is by Jergens. It says it is a lavender body butter. So I love the smell of lavender. Put it on here. Oh yeah, it smells lovely. So this is a nice size. And what is this? Degree Dry Spray. So I like that. A Degree Dry Spray. So good size for traveling. Wish I was going somewhere. And then this is from Earth to Skin White Tea Day Cream. That's a nice travel size too. Doesn't really have a smell. And then there is a sample size of Palmer's Coconut Oil Formula. It's a body oil. I like body oils, especially this time of year. And then Peptides. All right, so this is something that you, I don't know what you do with it. Not a low-calorie product. So obviously you do something with this and you mix it in with directions. Mix 1 serving, a whole pouch, with 8 ounces of water or beverage of choice, and take once daily. Read the entire label before use and follow directions. So this is a Vitality blend. And then there's a flyer about the Jergens. So it seems to me that this is just a little out of sync because it says fall. And it is winter, isn't it? So there you go. I suggest getting this box. It's fun. It's all good. So thank you for joining me for this short video. And I am going to go now and film an art video. So look for that. Bye-bye.